middle of my heart, and I waited for time, every time to pass. And if I'd known all the love you gave me then, it wasn't a trap, it wasn't a trap. So if I wander, please know I have never loved anyone as much as I love you. I would never trade these years for the promise of gold, promise of gold. Remember all the times I fell looking up at you. Remember we promised each other one day we'd get back to me and you, but I had to leave, had to go find myself. It was in my darkest hour, you were the strongest strong I've ever felt. So if I wander, please know I have never loved anyone as much as I've loved you. And I will never trade these years for the promise of gold, for the promise of gold, the promise of gold, the promise of gold, the promise of gold. Sometimes it takes forever just to walk one block, but it only takes a second yet to realize what you've lost, to realize what you lost. So if I wander, please know I have never loved anyone as much as I loved you. I will never trade these